Hello, good day to you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to color grade a dark skinned person, like why on Photoshop. Like two very important layers. They are the simplest and the simplest ones to use. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is the first one is color balance. Yeah, color balance there. So with the color balance, I'm going to be working only with the reds and the yellows. So when you increase the red a bit, you reduce the yellow a bit. So that way it gives you this warm feel. So you see before, after, before, after. So that's the method. Now the other layer that's very, very important. Come here, just go to your hue and saturation, go to reds, go to reds here. Yeah. So we'll be working on the lightness alone, just the lightness alone. So if you reduce the lightness, can you see? So this is a very important method, like a very simple and as simple as it is very important. Like it's very effective. Let me use that word. It's very effective for a dark-skinned person. So after, before, after. You've always been seeing pictures where you see a light skinned person and then the dark skinned person is very dark, like, and it's always so beautiful and so contrasty. So this is the method that's being used. It's a very simple one, but it's very important that you know this. So you can play with the lightness, as you can see. Can play with the lightness. So I prefer something around here. Yeah, for a dark skinned person. So you can see before, after, before, after. Thank you once again. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading very important videos for you, very good ones for you to watch. Thank you.